Today we're going to talk about the products of whole numbers. This process includes multiplication and grouping together numbers to easily find the product. A product is the answer you get when you multiply two numbers together. For example, 1 times 2 equals 2, with 2 as the product. You can break this problem down by saying that I have one group of two things. So when you look at a multiplication problem, you can switch out the multiplication sign with the word of. Now let's look at a visual representation of this concept. Let's say that I have three groups of 4 pennies. I could draw out 3 rows of 4 pennies. So in the end, I have 3 groups of 4 pennies in each, and then I can just add them all together, and you get 12 as the product. Another way of doing this kind of multiplication is by repeated additions. Repeated additions means adding the same number a certain amount of times. So let's say the problem is 2 times 5. So you would repeatedly add 2 5 times. 4, 5. Then you could say 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6, plus another 2 is 8, and plus the last 2 is 10. And then that's your answer. Problem, I want you guys to work it out using both methods that I just taught. So let's say the problem is 4 times 2. So use both methods that I just taught, and then we'll come back. So the first method would have us say that 4 times 2 actually means that I have 4 groups of 2 objects. So let's say the objects are apples. So I could draw 4 rows of 2 apples in each. So here's the 4 groups, and then there's 2 in each, and then you just add them together, and that equals 8. So 8 is the product. Check it with the next method. So the problem was 4 times 2. So then repeated additions means that we add 4 together 2 times. So 4 plus 4, and of course it equals 8, which is what we got on the last slide. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.